Makeup brushes for beginners. When it comes to makeup brushes, it's essential to have a few key brushes in your collection to achieve a variety of makeup looks. Here are some must-have makeup brushes. 1. Foundation. Brush. A foundation brush is used to apply and blend foundation for a smooth, even complexion. 2. Powder brush. This large, fluffy brush is designed to apply loose or pressed powder to set your foundation and achieve a matte finish. 3. Blush brush. A blush brush has soft, rounded bristles to evenly apply blush or bronzer to the apples of your cheeks. 4. Eyeshadow brush. Set. An eyeshadow brush set typically includes several brushes of different sizes and shapes, such as a flat shader brush, blending brush, crease brush, and smudge brush. These brushes help you apply and blend eyeshadow for various eye looks. 5. Eyeliner brush. An eyeliner brush has thin, precise bristles that allow you to apply gel or cream eyeliner with control and create different eyeliner styles. 6. Brow brush or angular brush. A brow brush or angular brush is used to groom and shape your eyebrows, whether you're using eyebrow powder or pencil. 7. Lip brush. A lip brush helps you achieve a more precise and defined application of lipstick or lip gloss. 8. Highlighter brush. This brush is designed to apply highlighter to the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow, for a radiant glow. 9. Contour brush. A contour brush has a slanted or angled shape, ideal for precisely applying and blending contour powder or cream to sculpt and define your facial features. 10. Fan brush. A fan brush is excellent for applying a light dusting of highlighter or sweeping away excess powder from your face. 11. Concealer corrector. Brush. A small, flat brush with dense bristles is ideal for precise application of concealer or corrector to target specific areas like blemishes, dark spots, or under-eye circles. It allows for controlled and targeted coverage. These brushes cover the essential steps in a basic makeup routine and are versatile enough to create a variety of looks. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can expand your collection to include additional brushes for specific techniques or products. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching.